Shut
You're
up
just a
your
bully.
mouth, man.
You're just a
Luxon,
bully.
Luxon.
Kareem.
Remember the last time Beans never say I got balls.
And that's why I'm tell you, I don't want beans come up here.
Roxanne,
Vanilla.
you
I
for me,
see,
right?
I see volume up on the
I gotta
top.
wait for it.
Don't bring God in a this. Do not bring God in a this.
And look,
Here now.
I wish
Go
I
on,
should live.
Vanilla.
Beans, don't bother with it. Don't bother with it, girl.
Hi
Tina, like
Beans.
how you call me, I go mute my mic. I'm just.
It's Afro. Oh, a gunman.
Right, true.
TikTok from people. And friend them did have a look. Basically, the guy, woman, did want run out front on him, but he never like her, like she never appealing to him and all of them some of this. So him kinda push her off and she never liked that.
Mm-hmm.
So sorry, hold on, let me get this, huh? So our man at the time, the guy,
Yeah,
him
go
this me
on.
reach home, me just reach
Go
me
on,
away from
Beans.
something. Oh shit, I want
Mm-hmm.
for something this. You,
It's the
yes.
American people for me.
Hold
Right?
on, guys.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you. Yeah, I love that.
I've only for package. So the guy at the time him did their jail. Come out now is like she never.
You need
Yeah,
to go in
chip
our
out.
Wi-Fi.
Beans,
Yeah.
can you just wait until you're inside the Wi-Fi, please? Yeah.
I doubt she even hearing us.
She not hear you.
Because she's still a
Actually,
go.
on T-Mobile, Beans
You know,
avatar.
me say me
I'm
just gonna
Metro. I'm
start
Metro
T-Mobile, so
PCS.
Gotcha.
She,
I met you that, you
I'm
know.
Metro,
Metro
man.
PCS
I'm Metro
or
PCS.
Cricket.
Beans, come go on in the house. Tina, go inside. Yeah,
Watcha.
embarrass me. Me shame. Tina,
Yeah, everything on the
Tina, you
table
need to
now
go
and
in
now
the
get a
house.
PCS phone and a bright and outer order.
I never
Alright,
miss
Beans.
a friend. I never
So
miss
he
a
came
so.
out
Come go on
of
in the
jail.
Wi-Fi. Stop shame
Wow.
Yeah,
me.
first of all,
Stop
team
shame me,
will
please.
be left on outer pay, outer order. Anyway, so
Period.
him come out
Period.
Period.
and the girl tell her man say, him did a put looking argument to her, whatever. So him never like that. Anyway, the yard with them hang out in her, whatever. The guy approach him in the yard and they stand up and talk to one of them next friend or whatever. So when the guy approached to him, he must say, yo, dog, XYZ, whatever. So he must say, yo, pussy, like, what the problem? Defend. Cause so he feel like him not gonna take talk from nobody. But him say from him see them drive up, him know something did wrong. And then when the guy walk up to him, him a hold up him waist or whatever, but in the business, him never strap nor nothing, but him not take talk from nobody. So that made the man feel even worse because yeah, put argument to my woman, me come and a chat to you, and as much as how me strap
So to
like,
speak.
you still not take no talk. So man pop off and fire peer shot, him get shot 3 times. The hospital no.
Location of the shots, though.
He got 2 in his leg, 1 in him hip and fly through his stomach.
This does
So
Wow.
yeah.
the mat's not much.
The stomach shot is what really messed him up because in the in the hospital for a minute and they never stitch it, like it was just stapled or whatever. So them explain to him and say like when they get stomach shot, them don't stitch it because 90% of the time it gets infected. If them have to open it back,
Facts.
whatever.
Aww.
So said, so done. It got infected and all of them some there. Anyway, I end up in a hospital for almost 3 months. So one of the time them know me go look for him. Still I go look for him on and off, whatever. Left work go look for him, stay with him all day, whatever. One of the morning them reach and him I say, Beans, man I tell a lie, like something I forgot happen. Mind you, man the hospital bed cannot even walk. First of all, him can't even stand up for 2 steps.
What walk have to do it for?
No, but you know, see him say go back and say for the walk, like him can't even stand up on him own because the fact say him cut got infected, for them heal it, they had to put like this vacuum suction thing to help it heal. That was one old next drama. So basically, him did bedridden unless him want to sit down up for probably
That
like
was the
3 minutes.
abdomen one.
Huh?
That was the abdomen shot, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So them and whatever. The man in him say, yo, like something have to give. Some say, babes, come, you want to see me and this blood, me and the man, sorry. Me him cut up on my shoulder and have to take time, walk him go over the bathroom now, lock this bathroom door and him brace up on the bathroom door. You know, me give him a little head so it make him feel good and whatever and have to bend over now to get this hospital for.
She him get shot
3 months
for.
in
Okay.
a to relieve him. What you mean?
Look all in at the hospital for and I like him did ask me for jerk him off. Him say want feel something, so I make him feel nice. If him that was
Girl,
spending,
yes, girl.
Father God.
yeah,
Suck
you
him
have to
would
do them
right
stuff
through. Me
that
not
see,
gonna do
man.
that,
You know,
but you do
bend
it.
over, make him a look at him and make him feel good, you know. Just bend over and shake it up on him 2 times. I never know long nothing. I did about 5 minutes.
Same did come
Yeah, him come quick and him say about 5 minutes.
Which part in come?
in the belly. Right
Right
through,
there,
no
so.
condom, no nothing. Yeah.
Right there. Where else him did I go come? Him never have the strength to imagine now. Remember, say him already not have the energy to stand up. So him don't know when I go come. And when did I go draw out and go come?
True.
Him have to come
True.
with what in there.
Him gonna draw out and drop a gun.
Right? So that was that. That was my little experience.
But you are the next one. Yes, you said the man not the strength and you still have
So
to kill him.
and me go to the hospital and say, babe,
Listen,
something
man,
have
if
to
him
give.
dead,
You
him
have to go
dead.
exactly.
If him dead, him
Wow.
dead.
At least in that happy
You have
man.
to die for what you believe.
Right?
You know, and that's my motto. You have to die for what you believe. So if you believe, say, I fucking want to fuck, then I'm going to dead for this fuck, yeah.
Period.
Me go
Period.
block the whole out now. Everybody else says me go block the whole
But
out
think
now.
ready for come out for this.
Him
Starting
just
with me,
have
I
to
say
go
me
dead
block the
for this
whole out
fuck,
now.
yeah. Simple. I just write this all. So imagine now, him a go say, Lord, I look, imagine, I want to look up front, say, come up at the hospital, come look for me, and not even that. So go get it from somebody else. No girl, not fuck my man because me not fucking me sorry.
What's in the
Them have to go,
hospital,
them
eh?
would have to go fucking for somebody else, but I know because me not give me.
Boy,
Yeah.
hardcore, man.
Yep.
Bad to bad though, you could have made the man lay down and just ride it
They
back.
don't
You know,
come
make the
walk.
man stand up for
And
drop
And then
down.
nurse go
Pan him
walking
Put
belly,
him for the
on
pan
them.
hospital
go
bed.
jab pan him belly, you crazy?
When nurse and doctor see she had ready like
no, when the
Jackie,
next man
you
there over there,
gone.
so are two people in the room. Are two people in the room.
You gotta give the man a show.
Two people in the room.
I
As for them family
fucking
always
man belly
there.
too.
Nothing wrong.
Over here
Eh,
festive bad, man. I
Yeah,
like.
giant.
We go in the bathroom. And family and them some they did in there. Them
And the
probably
man
think me
can
can.
barely walk.
No, but you know, so the next man family them did in there, but them probably feel like say, no, me just can't because them tell us so we have to carry him go walk because he was losing weight and all these things. So them probably think me carry him go. Me not think them know what one in the look of space at time when all of them something there happen.
So then the sister bathroom, I bring him go.
Me not
The
know what them
bathroom is right
see.
in the room.
Me not think them see that.
Should have been this.
And exactly. Me an adult. After me on the
Which part
side,
of man
I
there, babes?
hide. Eh? Me not there no more.
I know
Me
that's
there?
right.
Wait, so which one man there
What did
now?
I do?
Me
Yeah.
not there no more. Me don't know what in there. That's what I call him and
So
ask
after
him.
all of that,
No, nothing wrong with that.
Jesus
I
Christ,
like
why me
say,
not know?
me did born in a God and God and me over to him and say a lifetime. I 7 years me did there with him for one a time that.
Not here for a long time, just a good
That's
time.
right. Simple. And we
But
had
be's a old
fun.
man still, she a 40
Exactly.
yard.
Me a 43. So to them other
Wow,
one
why me not
space
like that?
and hear people at about when them start school. them start high school in 2010 and them some me say when me had upon them up here with them one for pitney and me not supposed to over here start come love entertain foolishness now me a big man.
Alright, experience.
Wow. Anybody else have any stories? The weirdest or wildest place you've had sex, or what was the worst sexual experience you've had?
Me only that
Anybody?
about me catch a look part where when it say someone like actually smell a female and them still proceed. Then one time no Jesus, me tell you about that experience thing.
Yeah.
No beans, not do
Not
it. Me know where I go say.
alright.
Me go
Talk,
come
my
up.
love.
Love and
Not
send me
me,
enough
but
to
y'all.
tell.
Not
Yeah.
Talk,
tell
my
me.
friend. I want to hear talk.
Yeah.
Talk.
Talk your
Not me,
beans.
but y'all be easy though.
Loxon, going on, man.
So me don't know how people do it. Yeah, one of them I ask you know. One of them come on see who say 100 and whatever. Come on see the reaction.
Engagement. Right, true.
Only ever smell one stick from me not talk about stinking front. That well, how me for put it? Only ever smell one front me sick. When need to go doctor go get antibiotic. Who over here ever smell that? Yeah, put 100% something.
I'm tired. Like this, I bring up PTSD because like me then a nursing right about no more. Come on for this.
So boy, some people just really sit down with them and them John listen and look at emoji no. And anyway, I'm a look at girls' night. They know a girls' night turn on.
Me know I
No, I
know.
don't know.
Me go
Girls are not enough for gonna go like any day. Anyway,
No, every time I hear the story, I feel ashamed.
one thing leads to the next. First of all, in the house, I tell you how it starts. It start
Yes.
gone, and my friend them come over. All right, then boom, we have girls' night, cook, eat, drink, and all these things. They know one thing lead to the next. We start play local games. Then we start play hide and seek in a woman apartment, you know. Everybody assigned space and hide and all these things. Next thing you know, the whole of the light them lock off and a pure kissing sound me ear. You can't see nothing. You can't see nobody, but it's pure kissing your ear come from all over. So nobody not hide by themselves. Anyway, so all right then. It is what it is. One of the local chick them know. You know, we dead up on the ground and they been over upon the couch. I know me start finger from back way. So it was me and my next friend and she, you know, look at travel right this stuff. So with me,
Excuse me?
it was three of us, like right there, but
This escalated
one
quickly.
girl was like she kneel down on the ground and bend over the couch. So she in a look at backwards position. So no, me start finger fuck her or whatever, and my next friend was there. So they look
Father God.
in and out something make one look smell come out. So
Jesus.
me and my friend look at each other like, what one right there so then me just take my one look at time and like take out my finger, whatever, and then I go wash my hand. But the smell couldn't come out from my finger.
So I'll
It's seen. I
cherish
seen it seen.
your rugged cross.
Like that Guinness
It could
stain
have.
that bro.
I
Yeah.
mean, I know, oh man, me smell it, me say it could, because I like say, me did smell it before and still proceed to do this action. When me start, do, so me I
It
say,
catch you by surprise.
yeah, because when we start it and you know you start and the look of smell come up and we look for one another like, girl, what is? But anyway,
Okay, good. Like, gone their
me
fingernail.
say,
Ugh.
we go watch my honey say for the rest of the night. Me no want to do nothing. Anyway, home girl never stay, she leave. So me say no, I have to say something because the whole away a friend. So me say anybody else did play with such and such and whatever. And they must say yes. So me I say so. Nobody else never smell a look or something. One girl say, yeah, she smell it, but she never go there. So one next one say, yeah, you know, me that kiss her up and me that go down there and then me smell it and me just kiss the top. Me say, wait, you say you do what?
She turned back.
Jesus Christ.
So she just kiss the top. So me say, no, like, somebody have to go tell her. She did have other friends where did more close than me. Like we're a friend, but she have other friend where them a BFF and know them one another from Jamaica, cross school and share lollipop and all these things. So me tell them like somebody have to tell her because you know that not cute.
Wow.
So that was my bad experience.
2 minutes over your screen.
No, me shame like me. I go through the shame all over again. Me feel exhausted right now.
So me no
She's
know like and then the funny it just
second an embarrassment I
for
keep.
true. Yo, when me tell you say now come off right now, me I talk about it and I still I'm looking at the two fucking things like
Jesus Christ.
I
It
just
triggered the
yeah
memory.
with them two
It triggered the
stand
memory.
up like a good man. I swear me stand up like a good man. From when me need to hold my panicking and me just stand up with my two finger them so
Oh, Jesus.
You say stand up with that 2 finger them
Jenny.
so
me
that
go
we can see
alright.
it.
So for me say that let una do it. Cause me sure me stand up with the two finger them like this.
Yo, let me just ask a question. Anybody there to say put up them 2 finger a while ago too, or just me? Just put 100 if you put up your 2 finger.
Yeah, them two finger them. Yeah, see. Why people say, man, like,
Mighty God. Mighty God. Hey.
A while ago, I pause and look for my 2 finger
look
and I
on the
wonder.
two finger them. Me say from me stand up, I tell on about this story. From me reach the smell part, me two finger them stay so.
Firstly, the first thing me come do, I come in my bathroom and wash my
Yeah,
hand.
yeah,
No,
no,
it might echo for true. No,
yeah.
no lie, man.
Yeah, me in my bathroom for real. I come wash my hand a while ago. Come in
Bro.
the
Yeah.
house.
I
You
wash
know
my
me.
hand. Nothing wrong with nothing, you know. Not one fucking thing wrong with my hand. Traumatized. So me not understand. Oh man, do that. Them nasty for true. Them nasty. What's my name?
Probably don't like
Jesus
fish.
Christ, have mercy, God. I don't know, I don't
But
know, I
some
don't
man
know,
like
brother.
when woman smell touch, you know.
That different.
Touch a
If
It's
what?
sort of what you
if
have
me
someone
touch
will
a
like
woman
when
and
them woman front taste pissy or smell pissy. That different from when they
Jesus.
need for go doctor go get antibiotic. That's a one total different ball game. That smell we make you get a nasty head hurt. You
oh
make it like
god,
that.
So I'm ask you a question, Beans, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if your man know their work for morning and come in and tell us if you give him head, like, would you do
No
it?
say I forgot the head. Which part did
You
work?
mad?
Where work?
Go wash yourself. Where
Call
back
where
home
work?
from?
Where my
Yeah.
work? FedEx.
No, him I forgot the head.
If me did suck with me name, I do that.
Him I forgot the head.
Jackson, remember your goggle balls, everything, Jackson, please.
Deep throat,
Carry me ever got your
deep
balls?
throat, everything, goggle
Exactly.
Wow,
everything.
wow,
Exactly. Exactly.
wow,
Not do it. Not do it.
wow. Friend?
Me not do that.
I don't know, man.
Me not know.
I don't know, like personal hygiene
And
is
if
very
you
Work?
don't want to
important.
team somebody, you can say, babe, come make we go in the
No,
shower.
yeah,
Come
I
make
forgot
you
the
take your
head.
bath.
Yeah.
Forgot the
No, man, go beard and forward
mm.
back, man. I can't.
Roach, you know the
Beer and
story,
have fun.
Roach.
Next thing, me I go start suck your son rich and then you start.
Start tease them.
I know a friend.
What?
Then
man
Beans,
of God.
beans, where you reach? I know
When
it.
I reach
Him
the
all bust
kitchen,
up and can't talk.
my tongue not sharp. Me don't know how me feel the pain.
I was on the
I
way,
put
on the way.
under there. So,
Yo,
after got the head, ball so I know, okay, Martin, Alex, you must have hello, stop that.
I have no, I have no
uh,
story, Roach.
Now we can.
Roach.
You're
Where was
supposed to
the?
have a lot.
Kareem, tell her my situation
Talk.
now. Me cannot talk.
So, oh, you're the pan speaker and can't talk, miss.
Because me have to laugh, but him think me innocent. Me can't talk them something now.
Who that a
Let
whisper?
me mute my mic.
girl, at 200 people in a space. If you want people think you're innocent, I know you're so the place.
Kareem, check a
Well,
boom for
DM.
I know
class.
the
Kareem, check a DM.
I know the people them. I know the
Alright,
people
one
them can't
second.
get a girl at which part me day.
We know this is way the girl.
Come on, I'm afraid for talking and then I walk on.
I'm not saying
Nah,
they
I
make
can't tell
nobody
me
understand.
to
over.
show me spirit
Me
phone
nah
now.
make nobody over even me. I'm pre-me.
Karina, I'll be a coward you have in a space I walk on.
Talk your story, Tavi.
Yeah. Talk no Tabby.
Him just up there commentate.
Yeah, I call sweet.
Listen,
Talk, sir.
this is my job being in this space. I'm just declaring that. I'm just here to comment, right?
Him
I
never
got
have one. He
listen.
never have one goat story one
What?
time.
Why?
That may I
What?
talk about, Alright, this is where I exit the space now.
No,
Yeah,
nobody
yes, I
exit no
may I
space,
go.
brother. No, nobody exit no space.
Yes, I
Loxton.
may I go. Me gone.
Jesus Christ.
Me I
Come
go
back
Not
up.
say.
that.
I'll be here probably Loxton of Filino.
I'm out. I'm out.
I'm supposed to
Have a
see.
nice
Yeah,
day.
say done.
Him did give me
Tavi,
one
nobody
goat.
come out
He
of the
give me
space,
one
brother.
goat skit one time. That's why I says.
Yeah, man. You know the you know the
Look
man
at that.
the man remove himself as a speaker, you know. Why man like this? Jesus Christ.
But
Laxon is a
can't ask
bully.
question. I never go if it's true.
Laxon
Anyways,
is a
anybody
bully.
else in here that want to share their story? Your wildest or the weirdest place that you've had sex, or the worst sexual experience that you've had? Jesus Christ,
Well,
why me I tell you?
I never have a worse sexual experience. It was just that, me well want fuck a girl there and me just come quick. So I never really have like a bad sexual experience.
Where you
Nothing
say?
wrong with
Right.
that.
People come quick. I forgot one
Where
No,
you
sometime.
this
call
girl.
quick though?
All right, this girl, see that them time that me and a things none tall. Me I just
Yeah.
me.
I
But
love
this
that
girl,
talk
me
there. I
do
love
like
that
this
talk there.
girl. Me just like a girl, yeah. Nice little coolly Indian looking girl, tall here, everything, and breast them nice, brown, the first brown this year my life. I mean, I said, nah, man, I forget a
Kareem,
girl,
check your
yeah.
mentions.
See?
Alright.
So, boom, now, get this girl and we go quad. We show you how long this was. We go quad scene and go quad and, we there all a vibe and go back to my bridging place because you don't know, can't go my yard because you get put out. So, we go on my bridging and my bridging have a friend and everything and finally for within I care she go and be things that feel me up and I suck off my nipple and a bag of things and I say, alright, finally me
Wow.
and this girl Jesus Christ going there mommy teeth at the boom. Them big pretty eyes that look for me and slide off our drawers and step over and come on top of me and I ride off this thing and me I say, yes, and me I say, God, I really mean this? Lord, like me should have called God name. Bloop! Pop off.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah.
How long? About 2 minutes, 3 minutes?
No,
No,
never got
because I need
2 minutes.
visuals,
Jesus
you know.
Christ, the wicked evil, I never got 2 minutes. I never 2 minutes.
Oh no.
So
One.
like what, 4 minutes?
I
Yeah,
don't know.
something around that
Some
region there, you know what I mean?
about the way how a while ago when him say share right off this thing, and you could sound big. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, I know
No,
about the
no,
man.
no, man. Boy, stand at attention, man. Just that, it's just, I'm amazed that I'm fucking this girl. Actually, me never even
Oh.
could have fuck her. You see me? So,
No man, me understand. I just the way you describe it, it sound yeah, you know. Me just I say, me not try to offend, but me go mute my mic and me not no look over here.
All
no, man, you're
right.
good. You're good. Me not
Witty,
free that.
you see any day
One
that happened
witty.
to me, brother?
No, but you see,
I go
witty look
drink
like
some
him
water and go
acting.
again.
You know,
No,
like
man, you
it
have to
And
feel.
go
that me I
again,
Yeah,
man.
say,
Witty
him have
look
that
like
Hey,
it
look.
sorry,
Them
me
You
have
go
a
have
drink
that
question.
some
look.
Me
water
have
and
a
go
question
again,
for the
brother.
Him
Karim.
God,
have
it
that
feel
look.
like it really full of your
Yeah, him have that
Jesus
look there.
Christ.
like
You
you
know like how
you
Kareem, you
can't
see how
slung the
Kareem
next
look?
day.
You see how Kareem look?
No,
Him
me know say
that look there.
Karim, me just have
Yeah.
that Karim have that big good look there.
Wow.
Yeah, like when me look
Yeah.
at
Wow.
Karim
Yeah, we
pants
look like
top,
him
Factual.
pop them
me
good
know
there.
Actual
say him have to fold it
factual.
up. Him have to fold up him penis. Me know.
Yeah, like him pop
That's
Oh
that
my
why him
God.
no
strap
look
there.
woman.
Mm-hmm.
That's why
Him
woman
have to
them
fold it and tuck it under, so the girl them can't
him
leave him alone.
woman.
Sorry, me have a question for you.
Ha!
Would you
Yes.
rather, right? Would you rather come quick or can't stand up? Like I go for this girl and
Better
Come
I say,
quick,
yo,
come
come
yo.
quick.
quick.
Come quick. Come
Kareem
quick.
not even think about that one day.
Come quick, brother, man. I
There is
tell you.
no thought behind that.
No,
Mm-hmm.
but what is now? Hear the fuck up part of the story now. You see, my bridge is a Chinese bridge, and him fatter than me, him bigger than me. See? Anyway, in the road, we sit on a couch, right? But it's a two-sided couch. Him there on the next side with female girl. Same way when mama sit up and get up now and say, alright, say Gara back as now, I say, me tell you know, say something go on. And she was like, what happened? Blacks, is it me? And she start searching herself like, what I did something.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
And I say, yo, no, I know you, but you not understand. You see me? Yo, mommy, you try everything. Couldn't work. That was it. Don't feel like.
We have a blue tick in our place.
So
Mistake,
on
the
then.
music
You get
like
the two, you bust off quick and then you can't stand up back.
Give
Bumbo
myself.
plate.
No.
Would I have the women
Yo,
stress? Would I go
the word.
sleep?
What I forgot berry?
Here which part me feel bad now. So when everything done now, and we are go home and we stop at Burger King to buy food.
BK.
She and her friend them laugh, and then one at the friend remark was him drop off a bicycle and chip up. Mumbo
Wow.
Boy, kill a
You
girl.
know me that ball.
That
Wow.
You know me a
They
ball.
never get a time to redeem yourself?
Boy,
Not
kill
even
a
the next
girl.
time?
You see a girl are wicked.
So she gonna tell her friend them?
Of course she tell her friend them. You feel shame.
They never get a Oh, chance, no. not even a next chance to redeem yourself, no nothing?
No man, after 6 months I redeem
6
myself.
months?
That sound like
No,
you're ready. No, you're
That
planning.
Man.
They put you on
No
probation.
man, after
You
6
sit
months
down and
redeem
For that
plot
6
myself.
against
months,
the
they must be
girl.
fucking like a dog.
No, you know, say for that 6 months there,
No,
he
and
lift
here
weights.
was the thing.
Him
Here was
lift
the
weights
thing.
that was 6 months there.
Him could have put weights on the cocky and lift it up too.
No
He
man,
say, just strong.
here are the fuck up thing, but it was very unexpected. The day she called me, because she used to go what that school the name of that South Camp Road. That college.
South Camp Road.
Excelsior College. From South Camp Road? Excelsior?
No, that's a Mountain
Alpha?
View. Alpha they from South Camp.
No man, from South Camp Road up at top
They
past.
have an exit
Is that
pass.
is
Oh,
that
yeah,
a
Yeah.
true.
CMC
Them
or
have an
Alpha?
exit right there, starting.
Yeah.
True.
She used to go there, so.
A local campus. Right
Yeah,
at
she used to go there,
campus.
so. I live at Vineyard. So one day, unexpectedly, she called me. She said, "Where are you?" I said, "You know, me there home, because I've been trying for this girl.
Whoops.
Now give me no chance again." So she just called me and said, "Where there?" I said, "Me there home. Just
Oh,
your make up
shit.
check here." And I said, and I April Fool's this. Anyway, but like couple minutes after, she said, "Oh, I'm outside." So when we go outside, Mr. She come down and care, but she walk. We are wobblish little bit. So me I say, I walk one. So she said, "Yeah, old man, them can't bother. I want to eat up my friend now. I can't bother with that." So we say,
Can't bother with that.
"Come link me." And I say, "All right." Anybody ever watch Bruce Almighty? When they take out all I'm close one time?
Them taxi they
And she
can
reach
draw
me one go.
sweatsuit them.
No, sir.
After my girl, I think she
But
was my
6
first
months,
girl who
pretty.
like
6
take
months,
care
brother.
of me and make sure say me all right. Yeah, well, I'm
How much you
first
make you
girl
wait for?
that
I love
take care
that.
of me.
Man, now wait
Say
6
me all
months,
right.
brother. Man, I tell you
Now
the
we
truth.
6 months for no pussy,
Same
brother. I'm
night.
sorry, but me
No,
cannot do it.
no, man, me I forget it back, man. Jesus Christ, man. If you're
Nah,
ashamed
brother.
and drop off a bicycle and chip up, Jesus Christ.
Nah, brother.
Yeah, every time remember my ball.
6 months like a foreign you go.
I forget it back.
Like a
No
foreign you
bother
go and
ball.
custom
Hush,
stamp 6
man.
months in your book. A foreign?
Yeah.
You get a 1 entry visa. You have to go
Foreign
back
you go
teach.
with it. Big foreign I look for it.
Looking forward.
Small island.
Small island.
Yeah,
Man, I
man.
love this. All right. Anybody else want to share your worst sexual experience or the wildest or weirdest place that you've had sex? Emma, you're in the group and you're not saying anything. Man,
Oh,
I love
Emma,
this.
quiet.
And that man,
Me
no.
see Emma pardon I
I
one
love
part
this.
a while ago I understand she had it on myself.
At school, I'm a fan of her.
I'm a quiet part, man. I
I
love
love
that.
this.
I can't tell you no how two deaf me catch two deaf people that have sex.
What?
But they never know so them get catch because them deaf.
Please.
Like what me I say
Please.
is if
Flash
you
back.
deaf and your
Flash
man
back.
deaf, I don't know I have sex.
Nobody
Oh
can
yeah,
hear
but
her.
no,
Nobody
if
can
you
come.
come.
Echolocation, man. We are talking about.
No, me say when the girl look up, come stand up, come know say me know say them
Tie
can't
one
hear
string
me.
for your toe.
Me know
Anybody
say them
walk
can't
past it,
hear
pull
me.
the
So me
toe.
stand up and I watch. Me say when the girl see me, it's like she want to drop down. But me not understand why she frightened. Like you're supposed to expect that. You're deaf.
Bro, they loud.
Like
Them shout loud.
Time was string on the tour. Anybody pass and tug the string too hard, you know, say,
I
just
hate that.
shift up.
You know me can't bother.
Emma Reese. Yeah.
But I mean, if them deaf, what them have a set of
That's
strap.
what I'm saying. Like the door no closed, no nothing. Them just dead in the living room and fuck. And I'm like, on deaf. Like I don't
Them
understand.
those smart, cause
So
all
a
me
good
deaf
5 minutes to
now.
stand up there and watch
And I
them.
have said,
Shit.
Of course, me I watch them.
Then no most. Me not watch them too.
me deaf, my man deaf, and we
So
have sex in the living room.
they say,
Me a tie one string for each of we two. If anybody talk about either one I do them, we have to shift up.
I hate that.
The same nice them where
Yeah,
they make
man,
when them
go.
attack.
And that they make with them a fuck?
Oh my
Then what other
God.
nice them supposed to make? No, you know some
Like,
me
used to have
You know
them
some
neighbors.
nala.
Used to have
entertain
them
this.
deaf neighbors. Them fuck loud.
Una would never catch me a fuck because me too smart for that. Hey, whenever they do not, they read Bible.
Can't
Me nah, me
imagine.
couldn't send my go down a hill. Me nah shovel no fire down a hill.
Me and
Well,
pan a
I think the
rocket.
whole on the door will laugh.
You're not gonna shovel no fire. You got own the throne.
No, girl,
The
me
whole
I
of we
got
hell.
heaven, go help God make Jesus buckle. Me not going, me
listen,
not go
a
hell.
Not the
first
bottle.
class flight you take
The
that
whole of we
that's
take the
sad.
midnight train got hell.
Oh no,
I'll
me
meet you
not
at the
go.
gate.
I'm not going.
You know? Bag
I
of
got miss that
tires.
train there, you know.
And I stay there.
Hi Emma.
Hi Emma, welcome.
It's hospital. I'm raise her cane. Because I'm fucking her cane.
Serious?
Can't feel. No, girl. Me not really
You know,
country like that.
Red and Spite at the name.
We're not afraid of fart leg on them.
Yeah,
Something
this
not know,
one.
like we're not afraid of fart leg.
No fight. Like, can't feel.
You know your girl before
Hey,
that
the girl
have
said
a
I to the
fly
bar shop and I
tongue
sit and she
down.
like it.
Girl said so she nearly come and she get the ants back on her front. All dummy a fire back shot she not get nothing.
I'm not gonna stop it, you know.
Oh, true. Back on again. Why am I not like this?
Who I eat?
You might eat enough.
Me and script.
Me did there one night and them all end up rob me and I couldn't run cause my pants there and me.
No, me
What you mean?
pants have to go.
Me did that my pants there and me. So by them come for rob me, I couldn't run, I couldn't do nothing. I'm
Jaja,
for the phone.
you getting fucked, eh?
Come back then.
Alright, I'm serious now. I gotta leave. I can't do this no more.
Getting fucked. Jaja.
Guy, right? Like, never intentional. It never
Wait,
intentional.
mean, you never know say married or which part never intentional. You have to tell with that. If I slide that in there, me want understand. Which part never intentional?
You have to be able to say.
The mess
Well, we
around
start.
or the
She
married?
probably just slip and drop on you, you know?
No, alright, mama talk. When we start up, never know say married. We go up on dates and everything, never know say this man married. I mean, this man sleep on me yard, I never know say married. After we have sex, like a week after, I saw come out say married. So me look at myself and say, but it done gone bad already. What me I gonna do? Make him get up and go cheat again with another woman.
Right, that's a girl. Me like you.
You're a secure spot.
Might as well just continue. We start already. Might as well just
I would
continue.
sweet you, man.
Wow.
They would deny. We can't deny that. I will not deny
Wait.
that. My office props for that.
Hey, cocky up is really nice.
So, alright, so I'm gonna tell them the entire story, how it come down to all threesome and everything.
Father God.
What?
Jaja.
Don't stop at me. Draw my sheet there, hold on.
This one need another
Shit,
drink.
every time you start laugh me at dead.
Something wrong, man.
So I came to
Wait,
America
hold
for
on there, girl.
vacation.
Sorry for cut you. I know you were the girl. Remember one story over there, Dream, where the woman. I know
Bumbo
you.
clock.